What you need to do. The NFP Academy welcomes you to a short introduction on how to secure your funded training place. We'll guide you about what steps need to be taken in order to receive funding. Receiving your funding entitlement is a very easy and simple process. We'll take a look at the steps needed to fulfill the eligibility requirements. The first step is to confirm your funding entitlement by calling us at 0800 043 6931 and answering a few short questions. If you qualify for the funding, we'll refer you to your local skills broker. Your skills broker will help you to complete a package of 3 forms that are required prior to submitting your training grant. Shortly after that, you'll receive a written agreement from Train to Gain, which will confirm that your training course will be funded. Upon receiving the agreement, immediately contact us to confirm and fund your training place. This step is mandatory before you'll be able to attend the Academy. Last but not least, upon receiving a paid invoice, you can claim your agreed funding amount and receive our promised donation amount as well. So to summarize, you learned about securing your funded training place in this short video. For all further inquiries or to check your eligibility, please contact us at 0800 043 6931. Thank you for listening.